uncomfortable. You have to change me.
I'm not changing you. We don't even have any diapers.
Look, I'm going to propose something, and I need you to hear me out. Will you promise me you'll do that?
Yes, I'll hear you out.
Okay, well, I can't be in a soiled diaper until tomorrow. I'll get a rash which could lead to an infection if left like this.
All right, fine. I'll take the diaper off.
That doesn't really solve our problem now, does it?
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't, though, really. See, you're not you're not really thinking this through. You know, I'm not going to walk around here with my tic-tac hanging out. I need a clean diaper.
I told you, we don't have any clean diapers.
Well, no, I mean, not right now. We don't know. But if the poo were to be removed...
I'm not following you.
If the poo were to be removed...
What is it? What are you driving at?
Eat it.
What?
Eat it.
You're out of your mind.
Now, you promised you'd hear me out. Besides, is it really that big a deal? I can't even... How would... that's sick. That is sick. How messed up in the head are you that you would even ask?
Look, okay.
Just calm down, okay? We're just talking. We're not doing anything yet.
I would shoot myself first. Come on, you don't know how to use that thing.
Oh, really? What if I held it sideways like a black guy?
Whoa, come on, man. Take it easy, all right? I don't want any trouble.
There's not going to be any trouble as long as you eat my poo.
That's not happening.
Well, then I'll be forced to shoot you.
Go ahead. There aren't any bullets in that gun.
I don't believe you.
Then shoot me.
I will.
Do it.
I will.
Then do it. What are you waiting for? Go on.
I will. I'll blow your head off.